pandemic. However, Amazon says the bonus is in appreciation of its employees.
Well, good evening, everyone. I am in for Claire Anderson, of course, today. She'll be back with you tomorrow morning. We had a lot of fog early on to start the day, but it broke out very nicely and saw some sunshine before the next round of rain moves in. This is a live look out at La Push. I wanted to actually show you this camera view because you can already see some of those clouds starting to push their way into the coastline, and that's going to be the trend now through the rest of the afternoon and evening. On into overnight, we're going to start to see some of that rainfall move into parts of western Washington and the I-5 corridor. Already a few areas of some light rain being reported in the northwestern part of the peninsula. That, of course, as we mentioned, is going to start to push its way into our neck of the woods. Here is a look at that storm system. It is currently still out in the Pacific, and that front is going to be moving through and lowering snow levels as well. So that is going to be some great news for the skiers and snowboarders as we get into tomorrow. Now, not only are we going to see some rain, but it is going to be a wind threat as well. So a wind advisory is going to go into effect in about the next 10 minutes or so, and that's going to be mainly for the coastline and through the strait, of course, Skagit and Whatcom County included. That's going to be until 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. We'll see winds gusting up to around 50 miles an hour. So on your storm tracker scale for tomorrow, we're going to put it at a 1. You're going to be dealing with some morning rain and breezy conditions, windy, of course, in some of those locations that we mentioned just a short time ago. A live look outside, and this is going to show you we had a beautiful sunset. I was hoping to be able to show you that over Mount Rainier. And 41 degrees the current temperature in downtown Seattle with winds out of the south at 5 miles an hour. Checking out those current temperatures, it was a lot warmer up in Everett today. The reason for that, Seattle really got socked in by that fog early this morning, and it took forever for it to break. So that really impacted those temperatures a good 10 degrees cooler. Putting the future track into motion, you can see that rain starting to push its way in. Could be heavy at times by the overnight hours around 2:30 or so. The good news is it starts to dissipate as we get into the afternoon hours. But we will see some snow over the passes, so that's going to need to be watched, of course, for some advisories. Rainfall totals anywhere from about 0.2 of an inch up to almost an inch of rainfall out in Forks. Will be just under a half an inch of rain in Hoquiam. Snow levels, as we talked about for tomorrow, about 2,500 to 3,000 feet, and we're expecting to see anywhere from about 3 to 6 inches of snow. Here is a look at those afternoon high temperatures for tomorrow. Very close to where they were for today. We'll be in the upper 40s and low 50s. Your 7-day forecast will actually show we're going to be in great shape come Tuesday through Friday. This does look like we're going to stay dry, perhaps even into the weekend. We'll have more news coming up. Stay tuned.
Shout, that hot dish can slip, causing a big mess. You need the UV Glove with non-slip silicone grips. For great protection and control from the oven to the stove, it's made from the same flame-resistant material